In this video, let us discuss about some EAPCET PYQs related to logic gates. So, three logic gates are connected as shown in figure. If inputs are A equal to 1, B equal to 1, then outputs of Y1 and Y2 he is asking. Okay. So, for such questions, first we have to identify what gates did he give. Now, what is this gate? NOR gate. Here, bubble is there. Means NOT gate is connected to this. What gate is this? And what is this? OR. Okay. So, now in problem, he said A equal to 1, B equal to 1. He is asking to find Y1, Y2. First, NOR gate. Okay. So, NOR gate output formula A plus B whole bar. Even you must know the output formulas. Now, what is A? 1 plus what is B? 1 bar. According to Boolean algebra, 1 plus 1, 1 bar. 1 bar value, 0. Okay. So, this is 0. A plus B whole bar equal to what you got? 0. Now, this 0 is given as B to AND gate and A to OR gate. Let it be A, let it be B. Okay. Now, this is AND gate, no? What is the value of A? AND gate. Formula A dot B. What is the value of A? 1. What is the value of B? 0. 1 dot 0, 0. So, Y1 is, we got as 0. Now, OR gate. Output of OR gate, A plus B. What is A? 0. What is B? 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So, Y2 is equal to 1. So, answer is 0, 1. Y1, Y2. It is easy, no? Yeah, it will be easy. One, you must know the gate symbols. Other, you must know the output. That's enough for this. Now, next, two logic gates are connected as shown in figure. Now, this is asked on 9th May shift 1, 9th May shift 2, 2024. If inputs A equal to 1, B equal to 0, then the values of Y1, Y2. First, identify the gates. This is NAND gate. And this is NOR gate. Now, A and this is B for this. Now, this is A and B. Right? Now, see how he connected. Now, A equal to 1. But B, where he connected? To the output of NOR gate. So, if we get the output of NOR gate only, we can get the B value of this NAND gate. So, first what we have to find out? NOR gate output. So, for NOR gate, what is the output? A plus B whole bar. Now, what is the value of A? It is connected here means A equal to 1 plus what is the value of B? 0 whole bar. 1 plus 0, 1 bar. So, 1 bar means nothing but 0. So, what is the output here? 0. This is 0 means what? The output A plus B whole bar equal to 0. It is given to B of NAND gate, no? So, what is the output formula for NAND gate? A dot B whole bar. So, what is the value of A? 1. What is the value of B? Nothing but 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 bar, 1. So, Y1 is equal to 1. Y2 is equal to 0. Answer is 1, 0. Y1 and Y2. Okay. We got 1, 0. Alright. Now this completed. Now next, let us move for the next question. Okay. Let us move for the next question. So what is the next question? in 2024 11th May he asked, to get output 1, output y must be equal to 1. For the following logic gate, the correct choice of inputs. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs he gave. In this, which inputs gives y equal to 1? Let us check one by one. First, let us go for the option A. So A equal to 1, B equal to 1, Z equal to 0. So first, what gate? OR gate. This is AND gate. No bubbles are there. So OR and AND. First for OR gate. A plus B. What is A? 1 plus 1. That is 1. So here you got output as 1. Now this is serving as the first input, that is A for AND gate. And now what we will do, or you write it as X, no, YA. Here already we used A no. Now for AND gate, what is the formula? X dot C. What you got X? 1. What is C? He said to take as 0. 1 into 0, 0. So output we are getting 0, means this option is not correct. Now let us check with the option 2. We must get y equal to 1. So what he gave? A equal to 0, B equal to 1, C equal to 0. So first OR gate, A plus B, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Now this is nothing but we are taking as some X, no. Now we got 1. Again, what he said? C equal to 0. C equal to 0 he said to take. So for AND gate, X dot C, X we got it as 1, 0, 0. So this is also the wrong option. Why we didn't got 1? Now let us check C, no. C what he gave? A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 1. So first OR gate, A plus B. Some X is equal to A plus B. What is A? 1 plus 0, 1. Now next for AND gate, X dot C. X is 1, C is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So why we got it as 1? So option C is the correct option. In such a way we have to check. Now next, if the output of NAND gate gives as input to NOT gate, first let us draw the AND gate, no. Inputs are, you assume as A, B. Now this is, NAND gate. NAND gate. Okay. So what is the formula for NAND gate? A dot B whole bar. Now this is given as input to NOT gate. Inverter gate, no. A dot B bar becomes A dot B. Means what we are getting? Nothing but AND gate we got. So this is the output of AND gate, no. So we got AND gate. Okay. It is asked in 2023 12th May. Now let us move for the next question, please. So now here, in the logic circuit asked in 13th May 2023, in the logic circuit given below, if X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1, then the values of P, Q and R he gave here. Let us check which option is correct by doing. This is NOT gate. Right? X becomes X bar. Okay. So X, Y here he connected here. So first one by one let us check. First NOT gate, no. X becomes X bar. Means X is equal to 1 he gave in the problem, 1 bar. What we got? 0. Okay. So here 0 we got. Now next, for this, the second input. From where we are taking the second input? From here. Okay. Y equal to 1. Okay, from y, it is connected to y equal to 1. Now, what gate is this? NOR gate. The formula for NOR gate is A plus B whole bar. So, A plus B whole bar. So, sorry, instead of A, what we took? X bar, no. So, can I write this as B? X bar plus B. What is X bar? 0 plus 1 whole bar. 0 plus 1, 0. Sorry, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 bar, 0. So, P what you got? 0. You see, P equal to 1, P equal to 1. So, these two cannot be the options. P equal to 0. Now, if we get Q equal to 1, this will be the correct option itself only. Let us check Q. Now, A, this is what? NAND gate. What is the output formula for NAND gate? Okay, let us assume this we gave to B. No, I'm assuming this also as B and this is connected to X. So, X dot B whole bar will be the formula for NAND gate. What is X? You see, connected to 1. What is B? Now see, Y equal to here, 1 will be there. Now this NOT gate converts this into 1 bar which is equal to 0. So 0 whole bar. 1 into 0, 0. 0 bar, 1. So Q equal to 1. See, Q equal to 1. Now what is this? Again NOR gate. So NOR gate formula P plus Q whole bar. Okay, that's it. No, this is P plus Q whole bar. What is the value of P? 0. What is the value of Q? 1 whole bar. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 bar, 0. So R equal to 0. So this is the right option. Actually, the first case itself only we understood option is B, but we have to check here because P equal to 1, P equal to 1, P equal to 1 is there. We got P equal to 0. So this is the right option. But also we have to check once and keep the correct option. Now next question, this is asked in 2023 14th May. 5 logic gates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are connected as shown in the figure. If A and B are inputs, Y is output, then he is asking to write the truth table. Okay, what he is saying, he is asking to write the truth table. So how we will write the truth table? A, B are inputs, no. What inputs we will give? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. These inputs we will give. Right? Okay. Now, one by one, let us see. What is this? AND gate. AND gate. AND gate. Here, NOT gate is there. This is connected to B. This is connected to A. A is connected to A. B is connected to B. First, what you will take? A equal to 0. AND gate, no? A dot B bar, can I write? Yes, because this is B. NOT gate converts into B bar. Formula for AND gate, A dot B bar. What is A? 0. B bar, 0 bar. So this becomes 0 into 1, 0 bar. That is equal to what? Dot product? No, 0. Alright. First let us do this, then I will go for this. Next, 1 dot 0 bar. 1 dot 1. 0 bar means 1. 1 I got. Again this A, 0, B 1 bar. 0 into 1 bar means 0. 0 into 0, 0. Now next A1, B1 bar. 1 into 0, that is equal to 1 into 0, 0 itself. Now let us go move to this. The second gate, this is the first. Now this is the second. Now what is this? Here it is A. NOT gate converts it into A bar. So the formula is A bar dot B. Okay. One by one, relaxedly you do. Automatically you will get the right answer. Right? First, A is 1. So A is 0. 0 bar dot 0. 0 bar means 1 dot 0 0. Right? Next, 1 0 no. 1 bar dot 0. 1 bar means 0 dot 0 0. Next, 0 bar dot 1. This I substituted in place of A and B. 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. Next, both are 1. 1 bar dot 0. 0 into, sorry, 1 dot bar 1. 0 into 1, 0. Now next again, this is AND gate. Now here what you got? A dot B bar. Here what you got? A bar dot B. So now here output be A dot B bar dot A bar dot B, no? Output. Right? Formula. So AND gate. So dot. So here 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. So output all are zeros. So in such a way, with a relaxed mind you do, you will get the correct option. So next. Now this is asked in July 2022, 18th July. Now the behavior of circuit is like, okay. Now A, B. This is AND gate. So it becomes A dot B. Again, you see, A is connected to B and this is connected to A. Whatever it may be, this is OR gate, B plus A. Finished? Now next again, this is OR gate. Means A dot B plus B plus A. Okay. A dot B plus B plus A I got. Now next, what I have to do? In these two, I am taking A as common. Okay. What I will get? B plus 1 plus B. Okay. But in case of OR gates, B plus 1 is equal to 1. So, A into 1 plus B. X is equal to A plus B. And A plus B is the formula of output formula for OR gate. So, this is OR gate. Now, next, let us go for this. Okay. Now, identify the logic gate from the following with the same truth table characteristics. Okay. Shall I write? A, B, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Right? Now, this is NAND gate, NAND gate, NAND gate. So, A becomes A bar, B becomes B bar. Right? So, first, I am writing this A bar, 0 bar, 1. 1 bar, 0, 0 bar, 1, 1 bar, 0. Next, I am writing B bar, this one. 0 bar, 1, 0 bar, 1, 1 bar, 0, 1 bar, 0. Again, NAND gate, no. So, how we will write? A bar dot B bar whole bar. So, that is 1 dot 1 whole bar. 1 bar. That is equal to 0. Now, next. 0 dot 1 whole bar. 0 bar. 1. 1 dot 0 whole bar. 0 bar. 1. 0 dot 0 whole bar. 0 bar. 1. Now, see. For 0, 0, what is the output? I will write here. Okay. This is output X. For 0, 0, 0. For 1, 0, 1. For 0, 1, 1. For 1, 1, 1. See. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. This is nothing but the truth table of OR gate. So the resulting gate we will get as OR gate. Right? Now next, let us go for the question asked in 2021 5th August. Now what is the output of logic circuit shown below? Here he gave 1, 2, 3, 4 OR gates. Now this is X, this is 1. So what is the output? A plus B, no? So 1 plus X. In case of OR gates, 1 plus X is equal to 1. Again we got here 1. Now this is connected to X. Again 1 plus X, 1. Again this is connected to X and this is 1. 1 plus X is equal to 1. Again this is connected to X. So 1 plus X is equal to 1. So output is nothing but we will get as 1. Right? Output we will get as 1. Okay. Now in this video the last problem, and in my next video the other problems also we will discuss it. Okay. Stay with my channel. So identify the logic gate for which output is 0 when input is 1. Output is 0 when input is 1. When any of inputs is 1. First let us write now. A, B. Any of input must be 1. Okay, when any of input is 1, output must be 0, he is saying. When any of one input is 1, output must be 0. For which gate we will get 1 plus 1? 1. 1 bar 0. Right? 0 plus 1? 1. 1 bar 0. 1 plus 0? 1. 1 bar 0. And this is nothing but what is the formula? If this is A plus B, this is A plus B bar. So means here there must be A plus B bar. Here you will get 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 bar 1. A plus B whole bar means what? It is the output of NOR gate. So what gate you are getting? NOR gate. In such a way, by seeing the truth tables, by identifying the outputs and knowing the symbolic representation of gates, very easily you can solve any problem related to the logic gate. And the problems on logic gate are most important. Just to practice, easily you can score 1 mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, share it, subscribe it. Thank you.